Hey guys, Charley the plumber. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Glad to have everyone back. We're going to go out and do some essential stuff. Today we're going to look at a hot water tank. I put this hot water tank in, let's see here, 2011. This is a power vent tank. And this tank, I think, was in some good friends of mine house years ago that I put in. Basically, the customer called and said, hey, I'm getting no hot water. It is a sealed combustion tank, which basically means that it's sucking air up from the bottom. You can't get in there, you can't stick a match in there to light the pilot. So it's basically got the barbecue sparker. Old couples that live here, so we can either change the tank, we can change the gas valve and the burner assembly, but chances are that's not going to take care of the issue. It's probably just an airflow issue. So what we're going to do, I got the compressor in the back. We're going to go in, we're going to pull off the burner assembly. We're going to take an air compressor and we're going to blow out all around that tank, get rid of any cobwebs, get rid of any dirt that's coming up through the fins in the bottom. Usually what I do is I will leave the two screws holding that tank cover loose so that you can get some extra air up inside there. Obviously I need to have that cover on because of safety factors, but yeah, I know it's supposed to be tight, that way you don't have a flame roll out on it, but let's be honest guys, these are everyday real fixes on the front line that we're seeing. So basically we're going to go out, we're going to blow that tank out, we're going to see what's going on with it. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button on the bottom. Big fat thumbs up if you can. Hopefully you enjoy it. I don't do a ton of plumbing videos, so it's good to have Charley the plumber do some plumbing videos. So come on along, we'll show you how to work on this hot water tank. Okay guys, so this is a Bradford white hot water tank. Basically it's a power vent unit. You can see this is a sealed combustion down here, so I can't get my hands inside here to light the pilot. You do have the gas valve is proving that there's pilot in here. We've got a reset button here that has not went off. So that means that this thing is probably getting warm, shutting off, but not enough where it's actually sucking the pilot out. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull these 6 screws out. We're going to pull this cover off. We're going to blow that out, pull the burner assembly out. While we got the burner assembly out, we're going to make sure that everything is clean. We're going to take some sandpaper and clean up flame sensor and all that good stuff. So okay, you can see we still have pilot, which is a good thing. Not too terribly dirty in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean out the inside. Got some construction debris in there. You can see the old wire in the back. So we're going to clean that out and blow it out with a compressor and see what happens. Well, it's not so much to spend money, I think everyone's freaking out that you're going to come in and bring somebody up. So I really don't know how to take people at this point. You don't know if you need to. So, it's been good for me because I got after I've been remodeling. Yeah, it keeps me out of trouble. It's not a trouble. So, trying to get this stuff is a challenge. I sure it's only one people. Yeah. Well, we're going to sand up this flame sensor. Okay, so what I'd like, it really doesn't look bad, which almost tells me that it was that flame sensor that you were having some issues with. We'll blow it out just to get that to take care of that. See all that crud coming out of there? Well, that's better than me hitting it with 100 pounds of air. So did you know, Jeff? No. Really fun house for us in 2050. Can I clean that glass in there or something?
I couldn't see the pilot light.
Well, sometimes you got to kind of tuck your head in and around and look, and they're easier to be seen with the lights off than they are with the lights on. Okay guys, now to relight this, basically I've turned the gas back on. You've got this setting here with the arrow pointed to off. So this has got to get pushed in just a little bit, and then you turn it so the line and pilot are together, and then you push that in and hold it for about a minute or so. And then this here, down here, is your sparker. Just like a barbecue sparker on the barbecue grill. Now I heard that thing light, so when this status light here comes on, that will actually tell us that it's proven the flame inside. And that probably lit because there was a little bit of gas in there. So we're going to have to purge that line out by holding that button in. There goes the status light. So now we know the pilot's lit. If this status light isn't lit, then we know that that pilot is not lit and proven. So we can slowly let off on the button. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn this thing on. He's got it marked here with a black line on the B setting. B setting is going to be somewhere around 120 degrees. I'm going to turn this on just to make sure everything is working fine, and then I'll put it back on pilot and I'll put the cover back on. So there's our flame, and you can see back in the corner there, that rod, this rod here has to be hooked in the back there, otherwise this thing will want to tip on you. Anyway, I appreciate you coming out to the channel. Share it with your friends. If you have any ideas as to what you'd like me to video, I'd be happy to do it. I kind of bounce around between hunting videos and snowmobile, and as soon as the weather changes here in Michigan, we'll do some boating videos. So, but yeah, let me know what you want me to do, and we'll see if we can do it. So, appreciate you coming. Hit that little subscribe button. One of the few things in life that you get for free. Give me that thumbs up. Tell me you like it. Tell me if you don't like it. Hey, you should have did this different or that different. I'm open. So, all right, we'll talk to you soon, guys. We'll see you in the next video.